morning, sir. What does Mr. Murthy's reappointment mean to the stock?
I think it means a lot of things for the stock. The stock is going to be enthused by Mr. Murthy's reappointment. It will shoot up early in the morning trade itself, and from here onwards, it will go on to rise from one level to another. I think one can say that the bad period of Infosys has ended, and the markets would be willing to give it a long rope for some time to come.
Okay. And why did Mr. Murthy come back?
Mr. Murthy had to come back because Infosys was not doing well. It had lost the bellwether status. It was not even growing at the rate of its peers. It was not even growing at the rate at which the industry was growing. It was growing at less than what NASSCOM would want the leading IT companies to grow at. So I think all these things were responsible for Mr. Murthy to come back.
And what was the main reason for the non-performance of Infosys?
I think somewhere down the line, if you were to really look at, I think it was Mr. Murthy's policy of ensuring that each of the earlier people who were promoters, who were founders, they were supposed to have one stint as a CEO, one by one.
Mm-hmm.
So this made two things. One, the people down the line were demotivated. One, that the CEOship will always be among the founders. And second, not each one of the promoters, the early founders, was capable of being a CEO. So things were quite hunky-dory as long as Mr. Nilekani had the baton in his hand. But after he passed it on, I think the leadership was not effective, and the policy, which was intended for good reason, really failed.
Okay. And what does Mr. Murthy bring to the table now?
Mr. Murthy brings to the table his charisma, his ability to lead from the front, ability to motivate the employees. When he talks, the clients would feel confident about his delivery, and he has a status in the industry where he can even there is an ability to even change the external environment to the extent when he comes to the table in terms of discussing policies. So I think with Mr. Murthy, Infosys is putting its first and the best foot forward. I think although he doesn't have a magical wand, but short of that, I think he should be able to make a meaningful difference.
Okay. And lastly, should investors now buy Infosys?
I think because of the fact that the stock would have already gone up when the market starts reacting to the news. But I think even at this rate, one will have to buy, but one will have to give oneself around 6 months time in order to see that the effectiveness, or to even to start measuring the impact or effectiveness of Mr. Murthy. So our sense is that investors should buy at least partially at the open, and thereafter add as the confidence grows.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for your
My
valuable
pleasure.
inputs. Thanks.